Helo a chroeso I Podlediad Clust Ddaear gyda fi, Jim Ellis.
A fi, Ale Jones.
Magic Day is quite simply a very important day in the calendar year for a grassland farmer, and it's a day which grass supply meets demand. Grassland farmers, they can sort of reduce their dependency on supplementary feed. They can reduce their dependency on the grass they've saved and conserved over previous autumn and winter, and then start concentrating on maintaining quality over summer.
Hello and welcome to the Ear to the Ground podcast with me, Ale Jones. This episode comes from Iceland, a country defined by its dramatic landscapes with volcanoes, geysers, hot springs and lava fields. It's also a country with a fantastic farming story and heritage, and that's why